first test run. Yeah, it went into drive too. That's good. Okay, boys, it's interview time.
What's that?
It's interview time.
Well, it shifted to all 3 gears. Didn't get on it or anything, but so far, first time around the block, all 3 gears, it downshifted back to first, just fine. So we may expand the envelope a little bit here on the next circuit.
What do you got for us, Joe? As the passenger, what do you got for us?
She rocks. She ran well all through the gear shift.